All right, guys, gonna do a walkthrough on the house here in Alvin, Texas. This house is a fully remodeled home. I'm gonna be showing you guys from the entrance all the way to every room. All right, so here's the entryway. This entryway had a really big wall going down. We decided to save costs, and instead of cutting this whole wall down, it's a wall right here. We cut here and give us a bigger opening so you can see this beautiful house. So we decided to keep the wall. We wanted to initially knock it down. However, this wall here is a supporting wall. It connects a beam with the beam here. So with that being there, we decided just to leave it alone. So that is the door. That's an original door that came with the house. I feel like this door had a lot of character. So what we did was we repainted it. We just cleaned it, painted it, and it looks beautiful. It really does. Can't find these type of doors. And if you do, they're more costly due to the way that window is set up. So we like that. We kept that door. Funny thing about this door, it has a eyeglass to see through the other side. I don't see why you would need it. I guess if you cover the windows up. But yeah, you can see through that thing. Okay, so this is the entryway. We added an amber light here to give a kind of like a old school vibe, but I like the way it looks. It looks really nice, and you can see the wires in those light bulbs. It looks cool. Here, this whole area was a dining area. So basically, what we did was cleaned it up, left the windows, put a new chandelier in. It's a black chandelier, white LED bulbs, and we opened up the kitchen. So we gave it an open concept. Now this house right here had a pillar and there was a wall right all alongside here. So with that wall here, you couldn't see any of the kitchen. You would have to come around and walk into your kitchen this way. And you're real limited on counter space because there's a fridge here and the stove built in, and these things are really old. So we decided to knock the wall down, and ideally we wanted to knock the whole wall down, but it would have cost a lot because the way it was set up was this beam here was supporting the weight of the house. So it's an important beam, and it can be done. We've done it on our previous home that we flipped. However, due to cost and time, we went ahead and left it there. It doesn't look too bad. And we left it supported with this pillar right here, and we incorporated the pillar into the island. So we made an island, incorporated the island to the pillar. I think it looks really good the way it turned out. Kitchen's still very big. We went with custom cabinets here. These are all wood cabinets. We went white and we updated the, turn on the light so you can see. We went with white cabinets. We went with black hardware. Granite countertop. So we went granite countertops. We moved the stove. It was opposite side where there was a wall here. We moved the stove over here. Electric stove, electric microwave. These cabinets are real beautiful. The way they open up. There's not a pillar in between. I know some cabinets, there's sometimes a little pillar in between, and we just went ahead and left them open. It looks very nice. All wood cabinets, and wood cabinets just last longer. They feel better. They're more sturdy, take more damage. And then we went with the open deep dish counter sink, black hardware on the faucet. The island has usable cabinets. And the island lighting is very nice. So we put a couple lights here to give it some look. It looks nice. This is where the fridge is going to go. We replaced the lighting. We went LED lighting throughout, recessed lighting throughout the whole house. Put a fan here. There was no fan here. There might have been a fan on this side, but we removed that, moved it to here. The fan looks really good there. This is the way the designer Looks very nice. Open kitchen concept. So this is where you have your dining area with the big kitchen, living area here. We imagine a TV in this spot, something like that. So, or TV here. I mean, there's so much you could do with the open concept house. So, going into the living area, hit the light here. So, this hallway here was very dark and gloom. We added LED lighting throughout. Beautiful hallway now. This hallway leads to all the bedrooms. In the hallway, you got a bathroom. Turn the light on there. Then we added new vents, new AC, new exhaust fan. Just the decorating we have here. Added some new light bulbs there. Beautiful mirror here. That's me. We kept the same countertop in the restrooms that we had in the kitchen. So these are the countertops. They look very good. Standard remodel countertops. This cabinet was actually part of the original house. We decided to keep it. It's very nice. It's still big. I mean, anywhere you can save money, you want to try to do that. So what I love about this restroom is, okay, also we remodeled this whole shower. It's all brand new. None of this was here. It was a basic shower. We added this tile. We put that recessed spot in there. Little shower soap holder spot. New handles. It looks a little dirty. We had to work on some plumbing there after the build, so we replaced that. And so what's interesting about this whole shower is it was actually larger, and it's huge right now. If I'm gonna try to step out and show you guys how huge. It's a big shower. It's a big restroom. Very big restroom, a lot of space. It's actually bigger. It was actually from this wall to that shower bigger. What we did was we brought it in some, made this shower look bigger, and we added some room to the other restroom. So we just gave it the look of a bigger shower because we brought the wall out here and we actually made it smaller, but it looks bigger. And we made the other master restroom huge. So we took some from this restroom and added it to the master restroom. The master restroom is right behind it, and you'll see how big and beautiful that is. So going forward, down the hall, we have our first bedroom here on the left. So first bedroom on the left. Went ahead and added a fan. We added a fan to every bedroom. The rooms are small. This helps cool them. Two closets, twin closets, a little vanity spot here. Very nice. Once again, the vanity part of the original home. Beautiful add-on. It's not common in many homes nowadays. This house is awesome. So check that out. So we got cabinets here. Hallway closet. A big hallway closet. We kept so much original of this house. This house is amazing. So you turn here, you got the two bedrooms, the master bedrooms on the right, and additional bedrooms on the left. And let me show you guys these cabinets, built-in cabinets in the hallway again. So much storage you get, and these are huge. Again, black hardware. So the black hardware makes the cabinets look brand new. We cleaned them up, painted them, but the new hardware gives it so much look, such a nice new style. People won't tell that they've been there before, but if you do know what you're looking for, you can tell these are nice vintage looking cabinets. They're real pretty and so much space. The more storage, the better. If you're a homeowner, you know this. Honestly, anybody. The more storage, the better. So it's another bedroom. We added a fan. Lighting. Beautiful closet, big closet, deep. So man, this house, a lot of storage. Onto the master. So master, we added a fan, recess lights. It's one of the bigger bedrooms. Plenty of room here, and this is the master restroom. We added some scotches, something like that. They look really pretty. They really go with these circle mirrors. And this is the restroom, huge walk-in shower. All right, glass tile, new toilet, of course. We added some little shelvings here. Huge shower, big space. Right here, little pebble tile here on the ground. Beautiful shower. It's huge. Total walk-in. I mean, I'm gonna walk in to show you guys. Look at that. Bam. Huge. 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 So this is the walkthrough of the house. I will show you guys more of the backyard later. Appreciate you guys watching. Flipping is very possible. This house is 1,400 square feet, give or take. Well, not really. It's like it's almost 1,400 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 10,000 square feet lot, and huge backyard, huge front yard. So I think whoever's getting this house got a good deal, mainly because of the recession we're in, and it's going to benefit them the way they got this house. Any other time, this house would definitely be going for way more. So thank you guys for watching. I will be doing another walkthrough, hopefully on another flip here soon.